Hi friends, myself Kiran and my roll number is 20951821B5 from the branch of Aeronautical Section B. The subject is Engineering Thermodynamics with topic is Thermodynamics Boundaries. In thermodynamics, a boundary is a real or imaginary volumetric demarcation region drawn around a thermodynamic system across which quantities such as heat, mass, or work can flow. In short, a thermodynamic boundary, a division between a system and its surroundings. This is the diagram of the topic. Basically, the boundary is simply an imaginary dotted line drawn around the volume of a something in which there is going to be a change in the internal energy of that something. Anything that passes across the boundary that affects a change in the internal energy of that something needs to be accounted for in the energy balance equation. That something can be the volumetric region surrounding a single atom resonating energy, such as Max Planck defined in 1900. It can be a body of steam or air in a steam engine, such as Sadiq Kharna defined in 1824, or it can be the body of a tropical cyclone, such as Kerry Emanuel theorized in 1986 in the field of atmospheric thermodynamics, or it can be a single nuclei, that is, a system of quarks, as some are theorizing presently in quantum thermodynamics. What is a thermodynamic system? A thermodynamic system is an area or volume in space upon which study is concentrated. Everything outside the system is called surrounding. A system is separated from the surrounding with the help of a boundary. A boundary has zero thickness, so it does not contain any matter. Types of boundaries in thermodynamics. There are four types of boundaries in thermodynamics. First one is fixed boundary, and the second is movable boundary. Third one is real boundary. The last fourth one is imaginary boundary. Types of thermodynamic systems. There are three types of thermodynamic systems: open system, closed system, and the isolated system. This is the diagram of the isolated and the closed and the open systems. Open system. An open system is a type of system in which mass and heat both can cross the boundary. Open system is also known as control volume. Example of open system. A cup of hot coffee is a perfect example of open system, since both heat and mass can cross system boundary. Closed system. A closed system is a type of system in which only heat can cross the boundary. A closed system is also known as control mass. Example of closed system. A pot of boiling water with a lid over it is a perfect example of closed system since only heat can cross the system's boundary. Isolated system. An isolated system is a type of system in which neither heat nor mass can cross the boundary. Example of isolated system. A thermos flask is a perfect example of isolated system since neither heat nor mass can cross system boundary.